Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. Just gonna show you real quick how we like to fix our flat tires on our lawn tractors. If you remember my last video, this tractor we just put together out of the heap of tractors we got from the scrapyard, and it's got a flat tire. We've filled it up with air and you can actually hear it leaking out. There's a small hole somewhere in the tread, and it goes flat in about half an hour, 45 minutes. So it's a big enough leak that we need to fix it. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can either put a plug in it, which works, but I don't think I have any plug kit with me here today. So we ran out and we picked up a can of this Fix-A-Flat. And what this is it's a tire filler. You use it to fill the tire with like a foam. It's like a sealant, and you have to drive the tractor around to spin it so that the sealant travels inside and finds the hole and plugs it. So we're just going to show you how to do this real quick. You want to shake it up, and you want your valve stem to be at the top, relatively close to the top of the wheel. That's close enough, because when you fill it, there's actually a liquid that goes inside. You don't want it down there, because when you undo it, it'll all come spraying out. So what you do is you take this can, and it's got a little filler hose on the top of it like that. Shake it up, connect it to your valve stem, and now this is called the large size can, guys. So this is meant for like a large size car wheel. It says it'll seal up to 1/4 inch punctures. Our puncture is smaller than that, and they mean large sizes in a car wheel. So we have a very small wheel here compared to what this can is for. So we're only going to probably use 1/4 of this can. We'll see when the tire starts to crown. When there's a crown on it, then we know we've put in enough. So you stand it like that, you depress the button, and you actually see the product flowing into the tire. You can actually hear the leak. I don't know if you zoom in on that with the phone, you can hear it. There's a little hiss. There's a hiss coming from somewhere. So I'm going to put a little bit more in. That's getting to be full. And then we spin this off quickly. And now someone's got to jump onto the tractor, drive it around in circles for a few minutes to allow that product to coat the inside and find that hole. Alright guys, so we rode around in circles for about 10 minutes. And you can actually see right there, the foam's coming through the tire where the hole was. And you can't hear it anymore. It sounds like it sealed the hole. So that's how you seal a small lawn tractor tire with the tire puncture sealant product that we showed you. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.